is up, everybody? Let's get it going, baby. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Luxsaga live stream. My name is Jacob. Good to see you guys here. Guys, we got the wireless mic now. Welcome back, my friends. Crazy thing happened with the long delay today. How's everybody doing? Are we all feeling good? Hey, Mickey. Dude, what? I ain't Mickey, brother. Guys, dude, Trump convicted. Guys, Trump convicted. There's Mickey. Whoa, Mickey in the chat. Yo, check this out, though. Watch this. Watch out, Louis. Now I can, like, walk up here. I can be like, I'm going to starting off things. Welcome back to the Luxsaga live stream. My name is Jacob. You like it there? Or I can, like, I don't know. I can go over here. What's up, guys? Or no, I can do one of these. Wait a second. Watch this. I can do one of these, guys. Hold on. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Luxsaga live stream. Yo, man, Cyrock said I missed the old red screen with the desktop. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. I'll create something cool for you. Just wait for the intro, man. Intro's about to be sick, I promise. Oh, this is Louis. He's over there. He's chilling. Maybe have dogs on stream, too. Guys, crazy things going down in the in the market right now, in the world, actually, or in the U.S., I guess. If you're not in the U.S., you probably don't give two squats about it, but Trump convicted, guilty on all accounts. Updates from our main man, BK. This is state court, not federal, so he can't pardon himself. That's quite interesting. Besides that, 34 counts falsifying business records for Stormy Daniels' hush money. Each count, Class E felony, has a max of 4 years per account, which would be up to 136 years if they were to actually sentence him to jail time. Obviously, it's never max. That's maximum. And even if they do sentence him to jail time, what do you guys think? It's going to be interesting to see what happens. Sentencing July 11th, 10 a.m. So we'll probably, we could possibly look at it. Honestly, the stream's not about politics, to be honest. We're about charts. How does this affect the market? That's the major thing. Besides that, it does not bar him from running for president. Okay, so he can still run for president. Doesn't really matter. He violated gang order to intimidate the court 10 times. So that's a lot of things going down in the U.S. right now. Not much effect, though, on obviously Bitcoin or anything like that. You bet 1 year. But then again, it's like, how is that going to, is he going to get time? If he gets time, in the elections this year, it's interesting, man. Turning the tides. That's why it's like, would that actually happen? Would that actually happen? That's, that's just something we're going to look and see, right? Again, that's not why we're here, guys. That is crazy. It does, somewhat affect the market a bit, but not really much. There's not much reaction. But guys, interesting. How's this mic sound, by the way? I tested last night. It sounded really good to me. It's supposed to be really clear. I can take it off and stuff. Look at this. Pretty cool, right? How's it sound? Mickey, the chat, the Discord's not working. Or sorry, the bot's not working. Yeah, let's go over. Free Trump. He might be good for crypto. Damn, someone's gonna call him daddy in prison. Okay, Adam. Okay, brother. Daddy in prison. Y'all are nuts. Yeah, no. That's what I'm thinking too, Ed. He wouldn't go to prison, dude. You think if he got sentenced even to a year, the man's not going to prison. I can tell you that. The man is not going to prison, even if he got sentenced to even a year. He'd probably be on house arrest or some garbage like that. Guys, GDP came out here, actually missed, which is great. A lot less. So bullish on that. Quarter one got revised to 1.3 versus the 1.6. Core PC prices pretty much hit 3.6. SEC has instructed spot ETF issuers to file initial S1 forms by tomorrow. Guys, here is your ETF labels right now. BlackRock, and that's the main part. That is the main part about this stream tonight. It's about these ETFs. BlackRock is going to be ETH. Boo. That's boring. Boo. Fidelity, Feth. Lame. Somebody missed the opportunity for meth. I'm surprised that nobody did meth, to be honest. Vanik, ETH V. I mean, come on. Get creative, my friends. Get creative. And then Franklin at least is the only one that has somewhat of a creative name, which is EZ, ET, which is pretty cool. Buy ENS, Punk Channer says. Buy it. Yeah, besides that, I mean, nothing too else crazy. This was fake news, by the way, guys. If you thought this was real, it was fake news. Elon, of course, you know, he's always going to give you the updates on tweeting, right? Pretty sure I've never discussed crypto with Trump. Although I am generally in favor of things that shift power from government to people, which crypto can do. Too bad he didn't tweet about Dogecoin. That would have been kind of hype. I wonder if it... Yes, honestly, Cyrox Meth, I would buy that ETH ETF. Tell you that right now. Anybody want to go in on that with me? We're going to create an ETF called Meth for Ethereum. Anybody want to go in on that with me? Just kidding. But I appreciate you all waiting on me today, guys. Had a baby update today. I have another baby coming in, man, pretty much a month now, less than a month, which is crazy. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. Pretty awesome. I would go in if you call your dog's name. God dang it. ETH with asteroids. Photoshopped. Yeah, guys, but tomorrow, remember, we have the PCE price inflation index at 8:30, hour before open. Today, markets are down, though. ES markets are down. Bitcoin's up, still green. ES ended up closing bearish. We just opened the overnight session just now, closed bearish today on the ES. What did we say yesterday on the NQ, right? The NQ, we talked about that we might see an 18,700 bounce back. And I'm pretty sure at the bell, by the way, we got that. I'm kind of curious. Let's see. I think we got something like that. Yeah, right here. That's 3 a.m. So that was even lower, actually. Too bad. I was really hoping that 18,700 would have bounced back, but it did bounce back right off that 3 a.m. low. That because if it would have bounced off it again, but 3 a.m. low there you go. See that bounce back on the 1 hour. But man, yeah, lots of stuff going on. I appreciate that, Bash. What's up, Adam? How you guys doing, guys? Guess what? Real quick, I'm gonna have our mods throw it in the chat. But right now, we officially have... Is it too soon to say get over here? Get over here. We officially have a thread within the Hangout channel of the Discord. Go join it. This is for our HODL Gang members. For anybody that's in the live stream that wants to hang out and chat, go to the Discord at LuxAlgo. It's not... We're going to have to ping... We can't ping it, sadly. Mickey or BK, if you can just put in the link for Discord. But all you do, guys, you go to the Hangout section here, okay? And then if you just click this Threads button at the top, boom, LuxAlgo live on YouTube. We already have a few of our members in there. Anybody can join it. It's absolutely free. Wardo's in there. But I'm going to be in there chatting with you guys. So if you have questions, stuff like that, there you go, Mickey's got it. If you have questions, stuff like that, or you just want to hang out with trades and whatever, join that. The minute you have to type in it, there we go. Bam, bam, bam. The minute you type in it, it will pop up under Hangout, okay? It will pop up under Hangout the minute you type in it, and then it will be there as long as you don't. I think you have to leave it or, like, just say hide or something. Yeah, leave or close thread. But the minute you don't, then we're there. So here we go. We got our own section now. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Test. There we go. Join it up. Nice. All right. Yeah, guys. Besides the crazy Trump news, we got, PCE inflation tomorrow. Man, does this Trump news a little bit. The Dow here. How's the Dow doing? Let me see something daily. Wow, Dow's way down. But yeah, man, it's gonna be interesting going into tomorrow. See where we're at. But look at this on the look at the daily on the ES here. Look at the daily on the ES here. Where's my fib? Here it is. I want to see this fib right here. Boom. So, fib retracement, this lines up beautifully with that previous high. So, if we get a pullback, top of the Fibonacci here on the ES is sitting right at 5,200. Yeah, with Microsoft today? Yeah, the whole market's down today, man. 5,200 right there. Would want to see if it pulls back to that kind of bounces or not. But, yeah, man, it's kind of crazy. Join up, my friends. What's up? There you go. But I'll be chatting there with you guys throughout the day, so make sure you join that. Would love to see you in there. But yeah, just go to Hangout and then top of the thing, hit Threads here, or go to Pin Messages. Oh, Mickey, I thought we pinned it. But just click Threads up there and then click Luxago YouTube Live. You got to type something to have it pop up for you. I was going to see here, Ethereum though, red today, right? ETH is red today while Bitcoin is green today, which is interesting. We're going to go over that in just a minute. Solana kind of just settled off in the 60s, right? We wanted it to hold up in the 160s, if anything, or above the 160 level. And then, what was it? Oh, yeah. Gold today trying to settle off, right? We're still looking on the more of a downside here. Does the crypto market recover soon? Give me good news. I'm never selling. HODL gang, HODL gang. That's right, baby. HODL gang for life, baby. But yeah, guys, ETH ETFs are here. ETH, BlackRock, honestly, that one, FETH, Fidelity, ETHV, Vanik, and then EZET, baby. Bop. All right, let's hop over it. Guys, we're not doing Bitcoin predictions today because it's not normal stream time. I don't want to, upset any of our other viewers that are normally here. So we'll be doing that tomorrow. So stay tuned for that, for the Bitcoin predictions. We can do them for fun though, if you want. We could do them for fun, but the points won't count. So let me know. We could do them for fun, but the points won't count. But besides that, my friends, man, real go home for fun. Crypto K, for fun. That's not gonna what? I appreciate you all joining up, even though we did a late one. But priorities, my friends. Yeah, it's in the other chat. I think I need to. This is also the guy with the scammy repaint indicator, Albert said. What is this guy talking about? Yeah, our indicators don't repaint. We have, I think, out of the 400 that we offer, I think maybe 3 or 4 of them repaint, brother. FFIE there. We're going to take suggestions here in just a minute, but we're going to get into charting. Let's get to it. There we go. I got to remember to pop that over. There's going to be some interesting new things coming to stream here very soon, so be ready for that, my friends. Be ready. Let's cover Bitcoin. Mickey, Luxago real and with 200x leverage. Is Mickey 200x leverage? Is he really 200x leverage? Mickey, you nuts, brother, with a 200x. Sure, okay. Of course. All right, hold on. I'm going to unlist the other stream, and then we can get the bot over here, do our fun little Bitcoin prediction just for fun. Will not count, but y'all know the drill. I mean, once that bot gets over here, y'all ping it here in just a second. We'll get going. Trump more. Yeah, more or less, man. More or less on Trump than 1 year. Probably less. More or less than Trump on 1 year. What do you guys got? Biden less. More or less on Biden 1 year until he dies. Probably shouldn't say it on stream. 500 to 1. More over 2 years. You think so? Biden should be next. I think he's too old to even. I mean, they're both pretty old, man. They're both pretty old. It's quite insane. All right, come on, Bitcoin predictions. He's immortal. Honestly, he honestly probably is. You're probably not wrong. You're probably not wrong there. Come on, bot. Where you at, brother? Wait on that bot to get over here. Either way, guys, 68K, remember, was that price point. We talked about it a few times this week, right? We talked about it all week long. 50 or 67, 68K. Sorry, it was 67. That's my bad. 67K. Either way, we wanted to see it bounce there. There's the bot. There she goes. John Paul still in first with 301 points. Got Jockey in second, 226. But there we go. There's the bot for my peeps. All right. But guys, yes, tomorrow $300 giveaway. If you want to be a part of that, make sure you are subbed to the channel. I think I want to do a $300 like straight up giveaway, guys, rather than $100 to 3 people. We'll do that probably next week. I'll keep you updated on that. Trump is more practical than Biden. Absolutely. Okay. let's go ahead and get the predictions in. This is for fun, my friends. If you want to be a part of today's Bitcoin predictions, make sure you're in the main stream. And I'm going to go ahead and go, hold on, I'm going to go live on Instagram real quick. Give me one sec. Oh, I can't pull that up over there. That sucks. All right, hold on. Wish I could. Let's see here. Give me one second. Sad. What's up, Void? How you doing, man? Welcome back. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Luxaga live stream. My name is Jacob. Crazy news just broke with Trump being found guilty, my friends, on all accounts. How nuts is that? Trump found guilty on all accounts. We're not really going to get into that over here, but quite interesting news to see. The U.S. markets are down a little bit into this after-hours movement. But, man, what crazy news. I feel you, man. Start poll. Give Mickey points. Yeah, Mickey went away. You guys scared him off when I kept giving him points. Setup for crude oil. Yeah, we're going to go over setups here in just a second. Okay, let's go ahead and get the... Let's get the Bitcoin predictions in here. If you want to be a part of that, make sure you join the main stream on YouTube. 68. 250. Here it comes. 68,250. You guys think it's going to be more or less by the end of the stream? And let me know. I'm going to go ahead and get mine in as well. I should probably be a part of that. Yep. We get to the trading candles here. Myself up. Instant order placement. All right, this could be tough, man. Type in exclamation BTC more or less and be a part of that on the main stream. Let's go to the 1 hour. Man. It's so hard to predict where price is going to be in literally, I was saying this yesterday, guys, where it's going to be in literally an hour and 40 minutes. It's so hard. Got bought back earlier. There's no turning point here. Just create a bearish one. It's still trading above the 50. We go to the 15-minute. This is tough, man. It's right retesting these highs as well. It already bounced off once. I'm going to go with more today. I'm going to go with more. We'll see. I'm going to go with more today. The volume is going to be a lot less, obviously, because it's a little later in the day, but I'm going with more, my friends. We'll see. We'll see what happens. What's interesting, too, guys, in an hour, as soon as stream ends, by the way, we get a new daily open. Might say Bitcoin less. Goodness gracious. Get those Bitcoin predictions in if you want to be a part of today's Bitcoin predictions, but they don't count towards points. They're just for fun. All right, let's get to it. Oh, wait, hold on. I got to pin this. I thought I did. There we go. We'll do it for fun. It's funny, I'm replacing the pin message. The pin message literally said, no Bitcoin predictions today. Oh, well. All right, man. Let's get to it. You know what I'm gonna do? Hold on, really quickly. I'm gonna pull up the Instagram chat because the TikTok was not working, so I can see the Instagram chat. I usually can't see it. Crypto is banned in India. What? How is that even possible? Is that true? Is crypto really banned in India? That doesn't make sense. Is that what he said? Yeah. Did that recently happen? I don't think that's true. I can't even log into this. All right, here we go. Bitcoin. All right, guys. Bitcoin 4-hour chart here. First off, we're seeing a higher low. Nah, I think it's just 4x, my friend. If 4x is banned, I think it's just 4x, if anything. I don't think it's crypto. I could be wrong. That they change up a lot. There's always a way, man. There's always a way. 4x, maybe not. 4x usually just a certain amount of major exchanges, but crypto's like a billion of them. There's a billion ways to buy and sell crypto. Now, the banks could ban payments. I've seen that. All right. Bitcoin here, guys. So we talked about this yesterday on the daily time frame. I'm going to go put up the watermark as well. Where's that watermark at? Boom. Here we go. Here's your daily time frame. We talked about this 67K coming off these highs here from that lower high that happened back Tuesday of the end of last month. So watching this thing come back, kind of hold up in this area is really nice. I would like to see kind of break out of this key level here. And on the daily here, we got a lot of resistance right at 695. So if we can get up, get a daily close over 695, that'd be nice. I mean, we have an hour 37 minutes yet till this daily close. We'll be live on stream when we do get a new daily candle, but I would like it to close today over 68,864, if anything. But we got to wait and see. He said, what is your Bitcoin prediction price for closing this weekday? Like today. I mean, I'm looking for this thing to be more than this current price right now. So it's going to be above 68,274. This is my more placement here. I think it could be more just the fact that it retreated this level and it showed a support yet again today is really good. But I wish it would close over yesterday's high of 68,864. It's possible, right? We could get really lucky, maybe get some end of day volume, get through that high, that previous high, but who knows? I mean, we'll just wait and see here on stream. But if it does close where it's at, it's really good for tomorrow. Tomorrow we might retest that 695 level. We'll look for that retest. As you can see today, it went up and rejected it. Just look at the, if I mark this open close area here, and I go to the 4 hour, you can probably see it having issues all day. Yep, there you go. So price came up, touches this kind of 693 level, immediately rejects it. And it really, it's just that daily is having a lot of trouble around the 69300 level. So seeing that is quite interesting. Going to the weekly chart though, weekly is looking okay for now. We just need to get up and go soon. So we got 3 days, 2 hours. I would like this to close bullish at least. I don't really want a doji. I would hate that. I don't want anything like this. I would like it to close somewhere near the high of the weekly candle so far that we've had. But it does need to at least close above last week's open, which obviously would indicate a green candle. But I would want to see if we can get a potential move from there. But again, we have some problems. We could have some problems at 6.9 and then have some problems at 7.1. But if this week can close, you know, kind of close over where that 69303 is too, that'd be really nice. Doji then sell off. That's possible, man. Very possible. We'll see. I mean, again, this would indicate if I were to draw this properly here, maybe we get a bear flag, right? Or sorry, a bull flag. That'd be a lower high. If we set a lower low, then maybe we could get a breaking move. That'd be nice. On the weekly, maybe go retest this zone down here. Whatever it takes, but it's still trading in the area we've wanted it. We're waiting 6 months for this bull run to potentially come after the halving we just had. So, you know, it's just a matter of time, my friends. Just a matter of time. But yeah, Bitcoin right now, I'm loving it. So long as it's going to hold where it's at, and we should essentially see a good green closing week. It'd be very nice. But it really needs to get up over that 68749. That's that previous open close high there on the 4 hour. It gets over that, and maybe that 69303. So keep an eye on it. Keep a very close eye on it. It seems like Bitcoin making double top on the weekly. Let me look again. If it can create another closing price somewhere like that, maybe. But like at the same time, it's just usually on a. I mean, yeah, it'd be close, man. It's possible. It is possible. Consolidation is key, though. Consolidation at high levels is very key. The oscillator looks very clean as well. It closed with that bullish turning point last week. So watching for that to break out and go hit 73 or something would be epic. Let's see if we can get that. Go hit 73. Get up and go, my friends, on Bitcoin. But yeah, that's Bitcoin for now. I'm going to go ahead and close the Bitcoin predictions. Great job. You're a part of it. We'll see where it's at the end of this. I'm going to close queue. But I appreciate everybody that was a part of that. Today doesn't really matter, just for fun. And we'll see where we're at tomorrow with everybody. I'm going to go ahead and unlist I'm going to go back and make that other stream public now. But man, oh man, if you're just now joining us, Trump convicted. Guilty on all accounts, my friends. That's nuts. Absolutely crazy. So we'll see where Bitcoin is at the end of the stream, guys. So good luck, my friends. Everyone gets a free 100 points. No, sadly not. All right, Bitcoin, though, on the daily, trying to close green. Looks really good for it to close green, right? And then we jump over to Ethereum. And on Ethereum, what do we see? Ethereum, boom, red today, down $11. Not very red, but this thing comes down, retest Remember, we like this open close high to that high there. Boom. Retest right above that. We wanted to see if it could hold kind of above the 3,700. Now it's back around 3,750. That's a great sign. Going into the 4-hour time frame here, again, just consolidation in play, which is totally fine. We're getting consolidation at a high volume level now. A lot of traded volume here. I would like to see if we can potentially continue off of this level. We just have to make a breaking move. So we got to get through 3,800 if we're going to see this thing possibly go retest at 39.27. Yeah, Punk Chainer, I got you. Can you watch Microsoft and I'll see the recording more? I got you, man. Appreciate everybody that's been in super late, that stayed up super late to be a part of the stream. Look at you making the HODL gang with that's awesome. Which in this ChatGPT, yeah, the new one. That's sick. Yeah, make sure you join the Discord if you haven't already, and you go to Hangout, and then you go up here to Threads, and then click our thread there, and we'll all chat there. I'll be in there. I'll be in there with you guys. Good night. Appreciate you, Punk Chainer. All right, yeah. So Ethereum, guys, this thing's still chilling, right? This thing's holding up over 3,750. So, I mean, if it's going to continue to hold and trade off of these levels here, it's a very high volume, high probability here of this thing continuing. Look at the volume difference overall. This had 1.39 billion in volume off of this 4-hour level versus the rest, which were, you know, just very weak. If I go to the daily time frame, though, you have the, you know, that crazy volume down here. But, you know, let me see in these current bars. So that's pulling from that last session. I'm kind of curious where we're at because obviously on the daily we haven't been up here enough to like generate enough volume. I'm gonna go up to like, let's do like 50 bars and see where like the peak is. Okay, so yeah, we just haven't had enough trading activity down there, but you can see the volume is starting to pick up a bit here. Obviously on the lower time frames it's starting to range a bit, but we'll see how it gets treated a little bit longer. As long as it's trading above this high of that 3,697. The 3,700, I'm happy with Ethereum. It just needs to keep trading above it, all right? Print that on vinyl for a wall mural or make it something better. That'd be kind of sick, right? Do a whole wall mural behind me. But, yeah, that's Ethereum for you guys. Solana, we'll go over here in just a second. I want to touch on gold for my gold fans. Let me put this up. Let's go for gold. All right, so yeah, gold right now. Like we said before, it's quite interesting because hold on, let me reset this. 200. Let me reset it, please. Okay, there we go. All right, so gold right now is interesting because we have broken through that 618 fib, right? So the 618 fib, you know, it's back over it, but we did close below it, which I'm not a huge fan of on the daily. But I will say, though, it has fully respected this area right here for the most part. It's still trading inside of it. I would still consider there to be bears more in control. If you guys don't recall yesterday,
who's your daddy?
I mean, we literally said, hey, this is going to retest 23.28 at the very least. And here's your massive wick through that level. It's swept this low, though. So a lot of the times those sweeps could drive you to, you know, reverse, right? So it's very possible. It's very possible we drive those things to reverse here after it swept that low. We discussed on stream yesterday. It's going to definitely retest it, and that's what we got, right? So beautiful sweeping of that low. Looking for this thing now. If you want to be bullish on it, I need it to get up over this previous high sitting right here at 26.64. If we get it to hold up over 26.64, kind of break out of it, show us, you know, that it wants to give us some bullish price action, I will absolutely look for the upside, start targeting some interesting levels. The first target would definitely be around like 37.5, right? 27.5, 23.75. I'm at 23.75. Would be that next upside target if we can break out of this high here. So yeah, it all comes down to that. Does that happen? I don't know. We just got to wait. Right now, I would still be bearish, though, for the most part. But that low did sweep. So if that's going to be a liquidity sweep, we got to break some structure to the upside to show us some action. Overall, though, daily's still intact there. Or, sorry, the 4 hours still intact for the bearish trend. The daily time frame consolidating nicely. Let's see if it creates a higher low here. If it does, it could actually start making that breaking move. Crypto Kid, you're on the right direction, my friend. definitely would look more short on gold than I would long. But we'll see going into tomorrow, of course. But yeah, that if I was short anywhere up here on this bear flag break, I would have been targeting the same low, like always. Always target those lows. Just, you know, this is probably your best bet because you never know. Your odds of it retesting are way greater than it breaking, right? So that's pretty much gold for you guys. Just if bullish would be above that, otherwise I think it could continue back to the downside. Our overall target to the downside was the bottom of kind of this little buying block that happened here around the 23.15 level. So I'd like to see that, you know. I'd like to see it on gold. It'd be nice. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much gold for the most part. Let me look at the weekly here. I don't remember the last time I looked at the weekly here on gold. The weekly's not much to rave about. You know, it's just been consolidating here after I had a very nice run. That run was fun. I'll tell you that. Very fun. Very fun run. But yeah, it just, if it's going to hold above this previous higher low here, you know, 22.77, I think it's going to make that nice continuation. But from here, let's go over to Solana. Let's go to Solana. Yeah, so Solana here, weekly, right? Treated structure beautifully. And now it's trying to close up on the weekly, which is good. On the weekly, we really want to see this thing close up. It'd be nice over the 174 mark, if that happens. I don't know if it will. But if it closes over 170, that's cool too. Just right around 170 would be nice. So long as it's holding like Bitcoin on its daily time frame above this previous lower high, I'm happy. I just need to, you know, then we just be patient, maybe get that breaking move through 174 again soon, and then go target the 198, 200, right? That divergence of the oscillator metric is something to look at too. For which one? On gold? But yeah, I mean, creating a bullish turning point again above the 50 level would start indicating that bullish money flow might come in here on Solana. Remember yesterday we had the update with PayPal launching its stablecoin on Solana, which is pretty fun. But that's just a matter of PayPal being that's just a matter of waiting, you know, to see if it generates anything for PayPal, right? So let's see if we can potentially get a higher low here on Solana, make that move into, you know, that retest of 186, and after that 200. Not far off, to be honest. 200 not far off. All right. That's, you know, Solana here, 4-hour time frame. Either way, this thing's ranging, so if it breaks through 160, we'll be looking bearish. We're very bullish over 160. If it breaks through 174, then I really think we're going to go retest that 187-ish. So keep a very close eye on it. Avalanche, man, coming down, brethren. Coming down, Avalanche. Daily's back down as well. So, yeah, I guess we'll see. It had that nice, yet again, liquidity run, and now it's coming back off of it. So took out these highs. You know, if it breaks the structure on a closed candle, it probably would retest 32. So I keep it close on that one as well. Let's jump over to the NASDAQ now. NASDAQ, bearish day. It is right at that level we've already marked, the 18,570 kind of area here. Seeing, obviously, today on the NASDAQ, we kind of bounced off the 18,570. All that was coming from was that previous daily high there, open, close kind of area, high volume. If we get that on the 4-hour and see that line here, that's the same exact low that bounced before right here. So we'll see if it actually gets bought back or not. That could be quite interesting. I'm just going to look at the 15-minute real quick. Yeah, that was right here. Right? Or this one. Which one? Okay. Yeah, the 15.57. So 15-minute, 15.576. Yeah, nice little bounce back there. Now it's trading back under it. So we'll see where it's at here coming into tomorrow's open. It's starting red, but it's already trying to bounce back a bit, right? Above yesterday's low, or the last 4-hour low, I guess you could say yesterday's low. I'd watch it to go retest this previous low and change character around 18,600, right? That April sell-off ruined every altcoin. You think so? I don't know about that. I don't know if I agree with that. But yeah, on the NASDAQ, watching this area tomorrow. Again, this thing still has these lows here to consider. So price before it breaks even lower, we might see it come retest that, try to reject it or clear it. But if I would be bullish on this if we got back over 1870, 18,788, or even like the the 18,800. It would be that'd be probably your best move, and then probably make a nice breaking change there. But if this thing kind of jumps up, retests like 18,700, and then creates a higher low off 18.6 or the high 18.6s, it probably would make that move more than likely up into roughly 19 or so. But it's just a matter of waiting now. If you look at the weekly on the NASDAQ, look at this chart. It's just incredible. So seeing this chart here on the weekly is one of those where I'm not going to be too concerned about this. Weekly time frame also lines up with that, obviously, that previous high there, so we're going to keep an eye on it. But here we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bull weeks in a row. Huge moves to that all-time high yet again, and now we're just chilling. On the ES, let's go back. ES, similar situation. This thing still has a decent amount to pull back to on the Fibonacci. Daily time frame here had struggles with those highs. I would want to see if this thing maybe can come back, retest like 5,200 or 5,160 or something. That'd be cool. But I'd be watching 5,200 first very closely. I do think 5,200 could hit quite quickly, so that's what we'll keep a close eye on. That is what I would very much look for. What else we got? What is we got? I think crude oil. Crude oil coming back down, man. That took out our stop for profit. That took our stop for profit back down to 77. Crazy. Bitcoin, how's our long doing? Barely winning. I think that's pretty much it, my friends. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, we're gonna go to setups next. Rune's coming back down to entry price, or it's at entry price right now. Let me go back. I was late to the party, so I didn't get TP2, but a lot of you did. A lot of you should have gotten TP2 already. Remember, we took profits at $7, and then $7.32. I missed that first initial run. I got the second one to 7. We're gonna watch how this holds up, though. If this thing's gonna hold 6.30, then we'll continue to hold it, right? So watch that 6.30 hold on Rune, and then maybe we make that breaking move again. But we'll keep a close eye on it. Let's look at the euro. Did Pendle set up, by the way? I didn't end up taking that. FEG tested already. Man, the euro with the bounce back, guys. This could be a bull flag, kind of. It's got a similar pattern after an impulsive move. 3 massive daily bullish candles, and then it kind of fades, and then now we're starting to see some very nice price action off 8. We talked about that 8 potentially bouncing. Very nice bounce so far. If I wanted to play this, though, I need to get a full closure over 1086. Full closure over 1086 on the daily. We could possibly send this up into that 9.5, which is what we've been eyeing for a while. But we need to see this set up a little bit more for that continuation. Let's go to Pendle. And I think, no, did it have 4 hour have anything? Yeah, it was the 4 hour. So here on the 4 hour, we could take the opposite. We could go short. So essentially, if it gets any rejection below 1086, then we'll probably take it short for a nice little 4 hour trade. Now, 4 hour trades don't last very long. Daily trades last much longer. But again, if it doesn't close above the 1086, what will happen is here in the next few 4 hour candles, we'll actually get a bearish turning point happening on the oscillator, which potentially would give us a setup. But I will say the difference here is that this thing was already a little too crazy. We didn't really have an established uptrend to break here. So I would give this, a kind of a B. This would be a B minus probably on trade setups. But if a turning point does, happen there, I'll probably enter just for the sake of the stream. But it is more of a minor setup, so I would take less risk 100%. If you want to take a short on Ethereum on the euro, take a much less risk just because of the setup we're currently seeing, right? So let's jump over to Pendle. Was Pendle the daily? Pendle was the daily. Nice. So Pendle's actually looking really good. I think we need 2 more days here. If we get 2 more days back to back, bullish, or at least one like doji red day and then a green day, we should get that turning point forming. And I'll be taking it to ride through that high of 7 to 750 would be very nice on this one. But that's what we're watching for, is just getting that bullish turning point. The minute that bullish turning point happens, though, is where we're going, right? That's where we're going. So watch for that. We just need to see if it can set up or not. Pendle's actually setting up quite nicely so far. We can also see here, man, yeah, the fib does show that Pendle could come down a bit, but we just wait for the turning point. If that turning point doesn't occur, we don't take it. So fib is nice here. It's inside that imbalance as well, so we can see if buyers kind of step in down here or not. If it does break lower, but we'll kind of wait and see accordingly, right? Besides that, LDO as well, man. This definitely, look at the established trend here on the oscillator. Beautiful trend established. Kept setting lower highs all the way down, lower lows. This thing extended to the downside, fully extended back up in one big pushing move. So we wait for our pullback now, and then now we're kind of looking for that turning point. Now this could actually potentially generate a turning point tomorrow if the volume's good. So if the volume's good, then we'll look into that. But that's kind of the 3 we have on the list right now is going to be the Euro, Pendle, and LDO. Okay, so keep a close eye on that, guys. Again, though, if you want to chat about it, right, chat about these trades and stuff, go and join the LuxAlgo YouTube thread, okay? This is LuxAlgo Live on YouTube thread in the Discord. Just go to discord.gg/lux, or I had the links up earlier. Or just search Discord. I'm going to place the link here. One sec. If I can grab it. Hold on. Where is it? Here it is. There you go. There you go. He's got it too. Mickey's pinging the link. You already took the trade with tight stop on LDO. Hell yeah. Make sure you join that Discord though, guys. I would love to see you in there. We'll talk about these trades, okay? Join that up right there. This is the thing. Make sure you send a message to get the thread pop up, okay? But love to see you in there. We'll talk about it. LDO is nice though. I'm gonna wait for that turning point to happen, but I do like it. I will say, I do like it. So we'll see if we get a potential long come in off of the turning point there. All right. Besides that, my friends, what do you guys want to look at? I mean, this is a later stream, so we can kind of chill, and I can answer some questions. Just let me know. Let's look at it. I can answer some questions. We got a bunch of people jumping in on the other vertical stream as well. Happy to chat though. Guys, check this out though. When somebody's really annoying me and they don't know what's up, watch this. Look what I figured out. The stream's just gonna get better and better. Check it. Ready? Watch this. That's pretty lit, isn't it? That's awesome. Goodness gracious. I got you. Is that money? Is that money or what? I can do it again. You talking smack, bro? You talking smack? That's pretty good. I scared you? Yeah, with the bang sound for sure. I'm sure I did. Do a short clip when you press that button. I will be clipping that for sure. I don't know how it looks on mobile though. Hopefully on mobile it looks good too. What do you guys want to look over? I saw somebody say, "Yo, Marcelo, you from Brazil, bro? Thanks for joining. Appreciate you." You're not seeing the Discord shenanigans. Look, all you gotta do, brother, is click on Hangout. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in on this one. Oh, wrong button. Click on Hangout right here, down here. Go to Hangout. Oh, where is it? Up here somewhere. Boom, Hangout. Click the threads top right-hand corner. Click threads, then click LuxAlgo Live on YouTube. Nikki's been pinging it. But yeah, all you have to do is click the threads button up there after you click Hangout on the trading area. Click the threads. Make sure you message in there too, and then it'll pop up. I got you. What strategy do you use? I use smart money concept combined with AMD liquidity pool. Yeah, man. I like to use the oscillator for my confirmations. Then I use the price action concept for structure. I'm testing a strategy right now with the signals and overlays on the and reversal zones, which has been pretty good on like the NQ. We'll talk about that at some point. Ready? Inverse Jacob indicator. What's Bitcoin doing, dude? What is it doing? Don't say that. Now you're freaking me out. Where's it going? Where's Bitcoin? Nah, Bitcoin's still green for us. No inverse. What's up with the title? Yeah, Trump. Trump was guilty on all accounts. This is it's major news right now. Twitter's going nuts about it. Also, Elon is not working with Trump, so I'm just letting you guys know. But he's been in a trial forever, and then the verdict was reached today. When is next week's Bitcoin prediction? What do you mean? We're going to be doing Bitcoin prediction tomorrow again, so make sure to tune back in. Be a part of that. Did I go over Sui? I have not. We can start there. I got you. Yeah. Let's look over Roblox as well, or RK. Wait, no. Never mind. Rocket Lab. I was about to say that. It looked like a Roblox sticker symbol. Let me do Sui real quick, and then we'll do that one for you. Yeah, if you're still here. All right. Let's get to it. So Sui here on the weekly. You know, it is making a major pullback from the high. Now, it looks about at 50% on its retracement here from that high on the weekly. And it's a little bit past that big time. So it is trading, you know, right below that high volume level. I would want to get it through 120, if anything. To get that continuation, it needs to get through 120. I would really, give me some more volume through 120. I do like that it bounced off this low, and we did break the structure on the oscillator, which is good. See, we broke it right here. If you get a turning point there, it'd be nice. That's not a trade setup, though. I wouldn't call that a trade setup. But it would indicate that this thing is trying to set up for a reversal. But it is kind of, you know, settling down here as well, which is nice. But I would like to see if, you know, $1 makes sense, right? $1 makes sense that it's going to hold, that it potentially could hold, because it's a dollar, right? So very psychological level on any of these low cap cryptos. So it's always a big one to watch for sure. Guys, tomorrow, remember, $300 giveaway here live on stream. Make sure you smash that like button. It'll be live between 1 and 2 Eastern tomorrow. I promise you we'll be live between the normal time. Again, had a family appointment because I have my next baby, my next daughter's due in a month, so get ready for that. If you're staying tuned here in a few years, you'll see him running around on screen. We'll be doing some crazy stuff on stream. But AI told you to avoid trading this week. Less if it shenanigans. It's just it's just a last minute stream here, so it makes sense. It's crazy how many European viewers we have, though. I love it. I love that we have a lot of European viewers. That's awesome. But yeah, man, where's my daddy? Goodness gracious. I'm right here, baby. Gosh dang it. That's good. That's so good. Add a sneeze. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty sweet for you guys. You guys want to go over anything else here? I'm going to go ahead and check our Twitter as well, see what's going on, see what's popping up. Grayscale updated its filings for ETH and spot ETH mini ETFs. Core coin update. I got you, man. Let's go to FTM. Let's look at it. Core. I haven't looked at Core in a hot minute. I know a lot of people have been loving this one. Then there you go. That's the kind of growth you want to see, especially on a weekly chart. Really good growth there. Finally picking back up in volume. Now, obviously, that was from last year, but again, it just literally died off for a while. Now it's back and running. That's cool. This is the time where you want to see buyers step in. If buyers don't step in here, it's going to go retest 160. more than likely. So hopefully people start buying it here right below $2. I mean, this is probably very close to a 6.8. Yeah, it is on a 6.18 there. So this is the time, right? So if it does want to bounce off of here, so be it. Hopefully we get something like that. But if not, like I said, you'll probably see it go retest 160 going into the 4 hours. Still in that bullish change character. It's just fading off of this. So I don't know what made this move. Yes, near, dude. I haven't done near in a day or two. We need to do near, man. Core coin, though, I double check if this pumped on fake news or not. If it pumped on fake news, then you might be out of luck for now. It might come right back down. Let's go to near. For real, though. I haven't looked at near in forever. I freaking love near. I don't know what I'm doing. Near. So near breaking slope, man. I wanted it. It barely tagged the 8.5 level. Dang. Thing broke down on its slope. You're getting that potential bearish change character today. We do have just an hour left on here. Man, on the daily candle. Weekly time frame. This thing's super clean on the weekly, which is nice. We'll give it the weekly chart, right? Super clean on the weekly. Nice little bounce back, of course. Price points I'd be watching right now is $7. Big time on 7 for near. If he wants to hold 7, that'd be nice. If not, you might go retest 5.7 again. I mean, you could see, which is nice here, is this kind of area, right? I would have watched that area. It broke through, then bounced directly off of it. I wish this would have gone retest 9, if not fully broken it, but it didn't. Now it's kind of fading back a bit. Watch the 6.9 up to $7 if it can hold. 4 hour right now is definitely bearish. Your odds of this thing probably retesting like 7 is pretty high. I think it will. If not, you know, we got to just wait around for its next potential bounce level. But right now, yeah, it definitely doesn't look great for this thing not to go retest 7 at least. You could say, you know, you could go ahead and say I'm going to target, you know, 7.15 first, but maybe not. End the stream so I can win Bitcoin prediction. Nah, brah, nah. Can ICP be next? We're going to do dot there for TK, then we'll do ICP, okay? And then Jupe. Yes, I do want to look at Jupe. But I would definitely still be bearish on near right now. Watch the $7 hold. Watch the $7 hold. Dot. Let's look at dot. Dot again. This one's pretty straightforward, though. We talked about this, I think, yesterday or the day before. I can't remember. But dot right now, $7 chilling as well. These are chilling at 7. I would want this thing to make a closing strong candle above kind of these previous highs right here, above 760. Didn't really get that, right? Right now, we're talking like 763, 765. Let's close stronger over that. Would be very nice. Weekly, man, yeah. It's just, you know, it's just struggles right there. So that's 750. 750 on the weekly would be that closing candle I would want. But honestly, just get a strong body, something like this. To give us some, you know, oomph to get through this kind of imbalance here. I will say if it does retest those highs, it probably would break up to 8. So if this thing bounces back, probably break up to 8. But if it breaks 650, you're probably gonna, man. If I wouldn't even say 650. If it breaks through this low here, this low 685, I would say 650 is your next target. Maybe even 630. I'd watch between 650 and 630 as your next target. If it breaks that low, the low of that is that volume level as well, right? The low of this here is the low is 685, is that volume level. So we'll see. Avalanche we kind of went over earlier. Let's look at ICP. But yeah, it's just to break out or down, man. That's the biggest thing. Same with ICP. We've talked about this a few times as well. Man, the weekly I don't even want to look at. That's crazy. All right. Daily here, this thing needs to get over 14 or it needs to break under, 11. Needs to get over 14 or break under 11 or maybe 11.75 or something. But this thing's just chopping up, man. You got to show some trend, show some strength, right? Does ETH touch 3650? Where's ETH right now? If it closes over 3,700, it continues to close that on the daily. I wouldn't see it hitting that right now. I think it could break out to the upside, but it depends how many times it can close over 3,700. Let me look at Jupiter. I know we talked about Jupiter, I think, a little bit. Did we just look at no? So yeah, Jupiter. Man, this is bearish on the 4-hour. Jupiter, I'd be targeting now down here, the high volume 104.84. You can see right here. That's where it was highly traded before. People did buy it there. This could be a low sweep, right? This could have swept these lows right now. If that's the case, it has to get up back over 115. More than likely, I would want it over this high, which kind of sucks. That's a far off high. So I think it has the odds of going lower, and the level I would go with for this thing to be on the low side, if it were to go lower here, is probably going to be like 101. Go retest $1, to be honest. I hate to say it, but that's probably what it would go retest. There's not really much standing in its way. So that's if if you continue where it's at. If it closes kind of where it's at, it'd probably go test $1. If not, if you want to be bullish on this, at the very least, it makes a breaking move through 116. But yeah, I mean, that's just tough, man. That's tough. Let's go over H-bar. Yeah, I appreciate you suggesting it there, Tartar. Thanks for tuning in. Is Nike finally going to get some upside? We can look at their earnings, man. All right. We look at their earnings. Yes, we're really at FET too. Good call. Good call. All right. Daily time frame. If this thing closes right now at 10, guys, this thing's probably going to continue lower. I'm targeting 937 here on H-bar. If it closes where it's at, targeting 937. I'm going to go ahead and just put a line here. Open, close, low there on the daily. Weekly time frame breaking down as well. Not a huge fan of that. Let's go to the 4-hour here. 4 hours just setting lower highs like a maniac. Yeah, this thing's in trend mode now, which is good. You know, it's good for directional moves. I'm not a fan of chop, right? Nobody is, honestly. Unless it's to consolidate to move higher, right? This new mic is amazing. Yeah, and this mic is awesome. The cool thing is I can mount it anywhere, too. I love this mic. Plus, I can zoom back here and chat. I can walk around. You know, is my standing desk working yet? I got to move this thing to get my standing desk working. We're going to do the standing desk soon, I promise. Yeah, of course, man. I appreciate you asking about looking at H-bar. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in, even though it's late, my friends. I'm sorry if it's late for you guys. Do a cartwheel. Yo. What did you just say? This man literally said, do a cartwheel. What? Gosh. A cartwheel. Seriously? A cartwheel? You want me to do a cartwheel? All right, buddy. I'm just kidding. I just wanted to do that for fun. Just wanted to do that. Cartwheel. God dang it. Y'all wouldn't want to see me do a cartwheel. Nah, Crypto. I just wanted to do that effect. There's some fun things coming, guys. I don't even like the ideas I have for the stream. Some stuff already showed up at the house for what's coming next. Yo, Kevin, I'm sorry, man. I had the chat closed. I see you now, brother. Is this your new indicator, and is it good? Yes. I mean, it's not new. I will say we update these like once a month with the latest stuff based on y'all's suggestions in the Discord. Yet another reason to join the Discord, by the way, guys. It would be awesome to see you guys in the new Luxago Live YouTube thread here on Discord. All you got to do is join that Discord via the link that Mickey and BK have been posting in the chat. I'm going to type it over here. We'd love for you guys to join that. But yeah, make sure to click Hangout, click the Threads button up here, top right-hand corner, click Luxago YouTube Live in the Threads. Hey, he said, see me live. There you go. That's awesome. Maybe I should throw up the Discord chat. That might be a good move. Instead of having the ticker symbols above me, maybe throw up the Discord chat. I feel like you guys would abuse that, though. Add multiple camera angles? I do. I actually have another camera setup. I just have to get it going. If you guys join that Discord, make sure you go to the hangout and join that. All right, yeah. So on H bar here, yeah, that structure not great. I would that structure break if it closes today, not great. Look for 938 breakdown. That'd be my downside target. Kevin, yeah, if you're a first-time user, you get 30 days risk-free, man. You sign up there, right, at that link I just sent you. Do you only trade Bitcoin? Nah, man. I'm on the trading front. If you're asking about trading, I mostly trade like futures. I mostly trade like U.S. futures, but everything else is more so a long, like swings or long term. That's awesome. Mickey, I'm going to copy this and paste it. It'll let me. Why did that make that link so big? What the heck? That was weird. Maybe I post in the other chat. All right. Yeah, Kevin, I got you. The channel link there for some reason for me is not showing up. All right, let's see what else you guys want to cover. Nike. I want to look at Nike real quick because somebody just mentioned, is it finally going to bounce back? Ooh, they had news today, right? Foot Locker stock having the best day in nearly 2 years after big profit beat. That's probably why Nike. Is it because of Nike though? I bet you it's because of Nike. Yo, 18%. FL Foot Locker. Is this thing worth like $5? 25. That's not bad. Yo, this thing post. Yeah, it gapped up big time. How's its quarter? What the profit beat? Oh, never mind. It's quarter one. I'm about to say quarter four terrible. Quarter four was terrible. Imagine having a revenue of $2 billion and then you don't make money. Isn't that crazy? That's just crazy to me. Oh my, look at the red. Imagine having a revenue. Imagine having a revenue of $2 billion and not making anything. It had $8 billion all of last year and lost $330 million. Like, that's just mind-boggling to me. Which positions do you have open, or you wait for the perfect entry? Wait for the perfect entry, man. Always wait for the perfect entry. QNT. Somebody say sunglasses? Who said sunglasses? Which of your indicator would you take for silver or gold price action concepts? Probably price action concept and the signals and overlays actually, but price action concepts for sure. Shenanigans said please don't on the cartwheel. Yeah, Bash. You can, my friend. Oh, yeah. Push-ups if you get your Bitcoin prediction wrong. You'll either get rich or jacked. I like that. I like that challenge. We should start doing challenges, to be honest. I don't remember. That'd be so funny. I know, Carlos. Like, literally. Like, honestly, first off, you're selling shoes, which is a huge, like, side hustle for these kids. Like, figure out a way, Foot Locker. Like, just figure out a way, like, host something that has to do with, like, trendy freaking shoes or whatever. Like, I mean, they can make freaking bank on. But it's just shocking to me, some of these companies. Do you have creative freedom for your streams? Yes, for the most part, as long as it's not anything against, as long as it's not political or anything, we can kind of just do whatever. Bitcoin is teasing less. I know, man. I know. Jasmine, let's look at Jasmine. Sorry if I missed your ticker symbol, guys. Feel free to throw it back in the chat, okay? Yo, Jasmine, holla at me. What are you doing, brethren? Yo, Jasmine's nuts, bro. Weekly's kind of weak, but guys, right now, Jasmine target, remember the 3-6. 365. If she fine. Suck it to me one more time. Get low. All right, 3 cents, 3.6, right? That's why we talking open close high on the weekly. Bop, 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 bop. It broke out right there, rejected the last weekly open close high, and then boom, pop it, pop lock, and shoot it. I can't say drop it because this thing's rallying. Now, right, I would want this daily candle to close over this previous high. Previous high is 28867 on Jasmine. If it can close over 3, that'd be huge. RKLB, yes. Nah, yeah, I'm glad you're back. RKLB, I got you, brother. Oh, wait, hold on. That was a stock. Forgot about that. RKLB. Let's look at their earnings, man. Rocket Lab USA is an aerospace company which engages in development of rocket launch and control systems. That's pretty hype. For the space and defense industries. Operates through launch services and space segments. Okay, I'm not going to read the whole thing before I put somebody to sleep. Man, oh man, I want to look at, hold on. Okay. They haven't made money yet. That was quarterly. They make anything annually? They still haven't made money. They've been losing more and more money every year. Yikes. Yet again, blows my mind. But this is Rocket Lab, so you know, this could be government funded based on what it said there. Defense industries, so it could be government funded. Maybe anybody know? Yeah, I mean, it's worth $4. Makes sense. Rocket and defense makes me interested already. Same here, right? I will say. On the weekly, though, look at where it's at, right? Weekly, this right now, if for some reason Rocket Lab is something that you've been wanting to buy, this is your time, right? If you believe Rocket Lab or seen something, it looks like, did Kathy dump some? Either way, if this is something you've been wanting to buy, this would be your time right now. Obviously, I'm not a huge fan, though. If this is on the... I'm not a huge fan of where this was at. It did surpass on the EPS, but miss on revenue. But this thing's been getting just demolished on revenue quarter over quarter. 2023, though, was up since 2021, but still it's down from the previous quarter, which is not great. Quarterly wise, this reported quarter 1 already. There you go. There you go. That's why right there. Quarter. This is your first. It beat out quarter 4 of last year, so that's pretty much why you're seeing it up a little bit recently. We'll see if that continues, right? And then this is one of those, right, where, you know, this is very speculative play. Very speculative play here on RXLB, Rocket Lab. But yeah, right now would be that time, potentially. But I do like that they just pretty much... surpassed or beat out the previous quarter, which is good. Maybe see a little bit of growth this year. Come on, baby. Show me the money. Sir, can you share your strategy? Dude, I share my strategy all the time on here, man. And I'm happy to do it again when the opportunity presents itself. But if you tune in every day, you'll see it eventually, I promise. We talk about it at the beginning of most streams. Can I show you how JTO went with me yesterday? Sure. How'd it go, man? As long as it's not weird, throw it in the chat. Throw it in the, yo! Shenanigans. I love it when it's how the book said. Doesn't usually happen. Hey, yo, is this it right here? I forgot. We could do reactions, too, my friends. We could do reactions to y'all's charts. That's lit. We could do chart reactions. Give me your charts in the Lux Algo Discord. Join up, click on Hangout, go to Threads up here, and then click Lux Algo Live on YouTube. What did this guy say? Yeah, they're government funded. Yeah, I figured. That's good though. That price level then is pretty solid. Man, let's see. That says 8%, 6%, 4%, 4%. Same moves. Dude, look at that structural shift there. That structural shift there after that sweeping of that high, man, just drove it right back down. What is this, JTO? JTO, what time frame? 15 minute? Okay, yeah. Nice little channel move. Fibonacci. Look at that fib bounce. Whoa, yeah, you're right, dude. That fib bounce was money on that 15-minute. That's insane. That fib bounce was money on the 15-minute. Right now, though, I mean, yeah, I would, again, he needs to get over that $4. He needs to get over that $4 on that daily for that potential continuation. That'd be nice. That'd be really nice. Long term for Tesla. Yo, Tesla finally back up. Let's get it. Tesla finally back up. Let's get it. Remember, guys, we talked about the 160s on Tesla, that long-term potential buy. Still sitting at 178. Let's come on, baby. Give me some. Let's get up to the 200s. I like the closing of today. Maybe this rest of this week will do well. Goodness gracious, though. Like, look at Tesla losing 1B last quarter. I can't believe quarter four they $7 billion in revenue. It's like they spike in rev, and then they slowly lose rev over time, then they spike in rev again. Like, nuts. Those cyber trucks, man. Those cyber trucks. People. Somebody mentioned people. Oh, Link. Let's do Link. The Cybertruck's pretty cool. I don't know how I feel about them. How you guys feel about them Cybertrucks? I've seen a few here in Nashville. I've seen a few on the road. Okay. Link really quickly, guys. Remember, daily time frame now. 3 red days in a row. Let's look at a fib now. Fibonacci's not bad. A 50% level lining up with that previous high as well. That should be where that change character happened, which is good. This thing swept that high. Change character happened here. We really need to see a higher low here on Link. Ideally, for Link, it holds these highs right here. On open close there to that open close there to that open close there. Let's just mark it right here. Boom. It holds above these right where that imbalance is sitting as well. So if Link, there you go, high volume area right here. If Link makes a full retest here somewhere, I would want it to hold at very least around this in the mid 16s, right? If this thing though can hold up above 1750, we probably get that move to 20. Okay, we talked about 19 earlier this week. We got it. 20 still intact, but remember that weekly time frame. We're looking for the 25 breaking move. Still inside a very large buying. A lot of buyers here, okay? You can just see from the money flow profile. But this week, though, Link needs to close over this high of 1791. I think we get that continuation, right? Just needs to close over last week's high. Crypto Kid said slink. It just needs to close over last week's high, and we'll be Gucci. We'd be Gucci over that. People. The meme coin of the people is on Binance. People made that weekly break and it's holding, man. But look at how it's respecting a 79% order block there. I can't make that up. This is 79%. Okay, if you ever see a order block that high, I would 100% take some profits at it. 100%. 79%. That's crazy. And let's see, was it majority buyers? Guess what? It was majority buyers. You know what that means? Buyers probably exhausted, meaning sellers are going to jump in and take it. That's what pretty much happens there. Sellers are exhausted, or buyers are exhausted here because they pretty much took out the sellers previously at this level. We retest this level, we sell off. Now, where we're at now, let's take a fib retracement as well. Give me that 50%. Just pull back a little bit. Pull back to 7. If you retag 7, then we can rally up, get the horses fed, and we can go up, break another decimal point. Give me 10. Give me 10 after that quick refuel. You know what I'm saying? Give me 10 after that quick refuel. Yo, Marlan just closed my Link for 60% profit. Congrats. Heck yeah, great job. They have Carlos. I mean, the only time you should ever have a Cybertruck is if you can use it as an ad campaign. Okay, man, it's just one of those things where it's an investment. You don't buy a Cybertruck because it's a Cybertruck. If I had a Cybertruck, I would slap so many ads on that thing because everybody's gonna be looking at that ish. You feel me? You probably turn around. You probably make that money back in about 2 days. The return of Crazy for tomorrow's giveaway. Absolutely, man. Crazy's always comes back for that ish. Yo, guys, if you want to be a part of our Discord, hang out and have a good ass time. We're gonna have a yeah, you know what I'm saying, is Wardo. We finally got a spot within the Discord for everybody that's been asking about that on the YouTube. Make sure you join the Discord. You click Hangout, and then you click the thread right here, and then you click Lux Saga Live on YouTube. We'll be chilling in here. Tomorrow we'll probably get a lot more of the members in there as well, just because we'll be at a normal time tomorrow. Do I trade futures? I do. You're live this late, Junior? Yeah, we're live later today. I had some family matters had to be a part of, but I'm here. We'll be live normal time tomorrow, or between 1 and 2 Eastern. FET, yes. Sorry. Goodness gracious. FET is next. Absolutely. FET is next. Absolutely. You know what, guys? Hold on. Let me see something here. Bear with me. Give me one brief moment. One brief moment. Okay. All right, let me shake everything here. This should work. Raising it up, baby. Any issues yet? Any issues yet? I don't see them yet. No tight issues yet. Yo, I can stand. Hey, yo. Hold on. I'm making sure none of the cables get all twisted. I bet. That's better. Much better. Now we can go up and down and all around. All right. We'll close the stream out standing. How about that? I need to make sure I pin it there. Make sure I get the height right. All right, guys. Yeah, let's talk about FET. When do you think the crypto alt season will begin? Well, remember, 6 months after halving, we think it's when it's going to start picking up. That price is going to start picking up with the rest of the market. So for that price to pick up, we just got to give it time, right? That's what we've been seeing in the last halvings, roughly up to 6 months for it to start going, right? So that's kind of what we're waiting for. Let's talk about FET here. So FET trading back and forth, man. Yet again, we talked about yesterday this thing coming back, retesting those lows. Oh, yeah, I need the, that would be great. Hey, yo, emoji. Let's see if we can retest these lows here, this range. It's been kind of stuck, right? Trading back and forth. Now, that being said, FET, the weekly just is so nice on this thing. This thing's been absolutely ripping on Fetch. So consolidation is fine. If it's going to hold $2, man, we're happy here, okay? Holding $2, we are happy. Let's make a trade in ADA, dude. The minute you said ADA is the minute I stop considering that. Possibly October, Junior. This year, though, thinking 100K on Bitcoin for sure. I'd be shocked if we didn't get it. But yeah, for FET, guys, holding $2 is pretty key, right? If it can hold $2, I like it. If it can break through 260, that'd be ideal. Once we get that breakout through 260, then we can consider potentially some bigger moves. I like that the oscillator is coming down more when price isn't really coming down that much. It's a good sign as well. But FET really needs to make a decision here, whether it's going to break out or break down. Guys, if you're just not tuning in the stream, appreciate you being here. Thanks for tuning in. Tomorrow, we're doing a $300 giveaway here live on stream. If you want to be a part of that, you do have to be subbed. Hit that sub button. Come back tomorrow between 1 and 2 Eastern. We're late today on the live stream. We're just late today because I had some family matters, but we're here, my friends. We're here. Man, what's our Bitcoin prediction right now? Please don't tell me. Oh, we're up, baby. Let's get it. Let's go. But it doesn't count today, sadly. It's fine. I'll count it on my end, but not for you. Can I teach FVG? Yeah, you just enable the price action concepts indicator, and then you go to settings. Oh. Go to settings, you scroll down, you click imbalance concepts, boom, FVG, change that volatility threshold to 0.5, then here you go. There's a plotted FVG for you. Crude oil retraced back into it, rejected that FVG and sold off. Beautiful. Jacob, do you think ETH ETF approved stacking platforms coins such as LDO will get more attention? Yeah, man, possibly. Actually, I didn't even think about that. That's a good note. That is a very good note. LDO, man, that is one of our setups. It seems like maybe today showing a little bit of reaction as well on LDO. Man, I mean, you're already long on LDO, dude. Congrats, brother. That's freaking awesome, dude. Hopefully you got in around like in the low 230s or like 220s or something. That'd be pretty sick. Jacob, what do you trade on futures? Mostly the NASDAQ and then like crude oil. Hey, I appreciate that, man. Murrin, I appreciate that. You're amazing as well, my friend. But yeah, I mostly trade crude. If I'm trading, it's futures. But everything else swings long term. Anything low time frame is all futures. I will recommend that's. I mean, there's a nice part about trading futures, or anything. Obviously there's huge tax benefits to trading futures if you're U.S. But I will say that the biggest thing, and also I forgot to mention gold. Gold futures is something I trade a lot as well. I forgot about that. I don't like to mention that though. Shh, don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody I trade gold futures. But I will say, if you can stick to 3 symbols that I honestly, some people just stick to one. My favorite's the NASDAQ. Obviously, the volatility on it's so good. But if you stick to 1, 2, or 3, learn how it trades. I promise you, the more you watch it, the easier and easier it gets. What time you live, sir? I'm live around 1:30 Eastern. Okay, live around 1:30 Eastern. Guys, tomorrow $300 giveaway. If you want to tune in and be a part of that, make sure you hit that sub button. The only way to be a part of that giveaway. You got it at 2285. Yo, B-Ron. Great job, man. 2285. Great job. That's awesome. Guys, for LDO though, man, honestly, if I were you, if you're trading it, if you're on any kind of leverage, let's go for the 256 here right now. 256. You might want to. You could be safe and say 255, but 256 is going to be that first target. After that, dude, 27. 27 is probably your next target. I mean, honestly, I'd probably take profits at 25 and then hold the rest. Go right for 3. 25, go right for 3. That'd be nice. Guys, you got anything specific you want to go over? Throw in the chat. Let's go over it, my friends. Let's go over it. Now that I'm standing, yo, what's up, Dennis? Yo, Dennis joining late. I thought you had a meeting, bro. Now that I'm standing, I can do weird stuff like this. Where'd he go? But you can still hear me. Yeah, just kidding. All right. Gala or beam. Let's look at beam. Beam B. Is this the right one? That's not the right one. Okay, thanks. Got to change my TPs a little bit. What is your first TP? If it's at $3, leave it there, man. I just don't know how leveraged you are. Okay, now do a cartwheel. Yo, Crypto Kid, I swear. You say that one more time, dude. If you say that one more time. Crypto Kid, I'm not doing a cartwheel, brother. I ain't doing it. Come on, man. Sometimes look at the dominance chart. I just finished. I had to present the rollout of a huge automation project. Dude, that's sick. Trading automation, bro. Dennis, is it trading automation? Are you gonna allow us to see this? Can you tomorrow live on stream? Let's do a Zoom call. Dennis is going to present his automation project to the entire stream. I'm so frustrated. Bitcoin going up, alts bleeds. Yeah, man. I mean, the only alts these days that people care about anymore are freaking meme coins, man. It drives me nuts. Drives me nuts. No excuses. You have plenty of room. Trust me, you don't want to see me do a cartwheel. Maybe. I'm just kidding, Dennis. I'm not going to make you do that. I'm just messing with you. Yo, what's up, Ace? How you doing? I hold all the long. That's a good portfolio there. Go fast. Hopefully your maiden one's Bitcoin. But Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot, Polygon, Cardano. Okay, Cardano, you can get out of here. Avalanche, love it. Dogecoin, yeah, good speculative play. Ripple, you can get out of here. Chainlink, absolutely. Ripple. Watch you every day since 2 weeks, dude. That's awesome, man. Somebody gift this guy a membership. Tartar, come back tomorrow. If I see you in the chat tomorrow, Tartar, I'll gift you a membership. Come back tomorrow. I'll gift you a membership, brother. Join the Discord as well. Gala, 12 hour. ETH ETFs trading? No, but we finally got the ticker symbols, Dennis. Finally got ticker symbols. We got the ETH. Now, we got Feth. We got ETH-V. We got EZET. Now, Dennis, be honest. Be honest, brother. Why didn't anybody call one of the ETFs meth? Just saying. Why didn't anybody, like, you're just missing out on potential buyers. Also, Trump is guilty. Yeah, that was another thing. I don't know if you saw that during your meeting, but Trump was guilty today. Feth wasn't bad enough. No, meth is better, bro. Got a promo for subscription too, potentially. You got to tune in tomorrow to find out. Trump 2024, and he is, yeah. That's the funny thing is, the man's presidency shouldn't be affected for him running against isn't supposed to be effective for him running for president. But like, what if he does get jail time? What if, I mean, he won't go to a real prison, but what if he does? Like, how could he be president? I mean, are we gonna have the first president in jail? Like, honestly, is that a thing? Can you, BK, look that up. Can you have a president while he's in jail? Like, could we have a president in jail? Could he be, no, scratch that. Could he be on house arrest in the White House? Could he be on house arrest in the White House? Now, that's something to really think about. You feel me? Could he be on house arrest in the White House? Now, that would be kind of cool. That's the first time in history we could have something like that. First time ever. House arrest in the White House. Maybe that's the way you do it, right? Maybe that's the way you do it. Maybe it is. That'd be kind of cool. First ever. Okay. All right, BK. What was that? BK said... BK said they would call it White House arrest. White House arrest. All right, good one. Dad jokes over here. I should know. White House arrest, dude. Goodness gracious. Imagine. Who's investing in Ripple? Nobody. Imagine him at ankle bracelet. He's like at the front like this. He's like waving to all the cameras. And probably, you know how many protests would happen in front of the White House if that were to happen? You know how many protests would happen? Like, honestly, the U.S. might shut down. I might be joining you guys in the U.K. We'll have live streams on y'all's time. We'll have a meetup. I need to crash at one of y'all's houses. I got 2 kids and one. I got a 2-year-old and a newborn coming. Those of you that are still in the UK. Yeah, that's a great question. Actually, how is it doing? Did it even do anything? Not really. Oh, it kind of did. No, it was Sunday. This one, it didn't really do anything. Maybe I was looking at the wrong one. Gate. Yeah, it didn't really do anything. Is trading my full-time job? No, dude. I'm the chief creative officer of Lux Algo. That's my full-time. Trading secondary. But like, I'm at the stage now on the trading front where it's like it's not a daily gains kind of thing. Like, I day trade for fun, but it wouldn't be enough to like, it wouldn't be enough to, support. I mean, because I'm not going to treat it that way. But, I mean, long-term wise, decent amount. I mean, pretty average. I'm not gonna say I'm like sitting here with $1 billion in Bitcoin or anything. Average person in crypto portfolio. I don't think Ripple go anywhere. I don't think it's going to go anywhere, Josh. I don't think Ripple's going to go anywhere, but I do think it's not going to be I don't think it's going to be used as much as people think, to be honest. There's just too many newer things that are way better. I mean, this thing is garbage. Wardo, what'd you say? What'd you say, Wardo? I am working on a strategy with to trade U.S. futures with Luxalgo, though. I have a few strategies that work pretty well, but I'm talking day trading, like 1 minute wise. I don't have one that's for a 1 minute chart, but I have one that's actually functioning pretty well. That, guys, if you join the Discord, you click Hangout, you go to Threads here, and you go to Luxalgo Live on YouTube, and you know, if you like the live, make sure you do that. But that eventually we can talk about in there. I promise. 5 years on ADA. I don't know, man. ADA is an interesting one. I'm not a big fan of Cardano, I can say. Yeah, Jasmine's freaking killing it, man. I will say, Dennis, yeah, if I was a billionaire, probably. Man, I don't know, maybe. I would be streaming on a yacht somewhere. Let's just say I'm well off. That's all I'm going to say. Well off. That's a good one. That's a good way to put it. All I've strived for in life is to be able to just, you know, stream to you. I'm just kidding. But honestly, like, be a part of, just be in this trading industry. That's it. And being well off. I'm not looking to, you know, have a Lamborghini behind me in the garage. I'm just saying. I just want to be able to go to the store and buy whatever I want if I want to. That's pretty much why I got into this. I'm just going to start trading NAS 100 for a day trading M1, M5 time frame. Cybertruck it is. 88, maybe lose faith in the market. Yeah, you're right. I will Photoshop Lambo. Cardano is a meme coin. Yeah, honestly. It really is. How's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin more or less from earlier. Again, for those of you not tuning in like Dennis, this is just for fun. We did the effect. We did the more or less today. Just for fun. This isn't going to count towards points or anything. I mean, we got what? We got 24 minutes. Let's come on, baby. Hold up for me. Hold up for me. Show me what you got. All right, guys. What do you want to look over? Come on. Any updates though? I don't really want to pull up like Trump news right here, but we might as well. S Trump. Oh, the Trump. I see what you're saying. I was on the wrong one. It's the symbol's Trump. Who didn't tell me that? I was on the wrong one. Look at that. There you go. Somebody said, look at MAGA. I was on the wrong one. Yo. There you go. Off 11. It dumped and then people went nuts. You need some light separation at the background. Yeah, just wait. Just trust me. Bear with me. Like I said, the stream is evolving. What is? We went over Sui earlier. Why are they so similar? I don't know, man. The pricing's weird. Yo, Brad, what's up, man? Welcome. Bitcoin more? Yeah, they're not counting. We're not counting the. Let's look at SCI though. Some of these charts are literally, I swear, copies of each other. Like this one. Like, look at this chart here. Look at DOT. Look at DOT. I mean, does that not look the exact same? Look at SUI. SUI is a little bit more aggressive. But, like, That's insane. What was the other one? It's not FET. I don't think FET's okay. I like the new setup. I appreciate that, Dennis. You the man, brother. Do you think the market will go bullish again? What do you mean? Like, which market? The NASDAQ today's down. Crypto's, Bitcoin right now is sitting very nice, man. This year, I think we're going to be hitting 100K, to be honest. I think when the 6-month period is up in the halving, a little bit later this year, after summer, we should probably see a kick up in volume to the upside. Just kind of from the past, man. We've seen this for a while. Oh, can you check alt USDT? I think it has a setup. I just want to know if it detected the setup correctly. Let's do it. Thank you. You know what time frame? Is it short? Ooh. This one's not bad, actually. This isn't too bad on the 4-hour. If that's what you're saying, the 4-hour. When Bitcoin hits 100K, this year sometime, I don't know when, probably near the end of the year. Is this day trading? Now we're looking at higher time frames. On the daily, I like the 4-hour more than the daily. The daily, yes and no. The issue is I want this thing to peak, right? I would like it to peak up here. I will say though, if that creates a bullish turning point, 100%, it's worth a potential opportunity. And also the other issue is look how there's like the data's thin. The data's very thin. Yes, over that dotted line at the top. Sorry. Yeah, this is okay like that. I just hate that it didn't fully extend. But I will say it is. You could play it. I'm just saying it's not A+ because it didn't make that, right? The minute one thing doesn't line up, doesn't make it an A+ setup. But like if somewhat sets up, this isn't bad though. Here, look how this said higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low, and then comes off of that straight to the other side. I hate that it didn't fully just turn around immediately, but that's okay. If this creates a bearish turning point here, I think you're seeing another A setup on the short side. But again, that might conflict with a daily, so your target would be like 31.83. It wouldn't be much of a trade. It'd be much shorter. But that is an opportunity as well. Indicators is the price action concepts. Gabriel, the money flow profile I've been using is one of the free ones. The other two you can actually try out risk-free for 30 days. Just click that link. Yeah, it's best when the turning points happen extended and they don't show any other turning points. Okay, so similar to like this, where it's like turning point up here, turning point down there. That's the best. When you see those shifts in structure, like I always am going to go over the crude oil. Crude oil is always going to be probably the one I use the most. Now, this is like I said here, it played out, right? It wasn't an entire A+, but it was close. This thing didn't fully extend to the downside, but it moved from an extremely extended period after a beautiful uptrend, right? A lot of times it does depend on what price did before as well. So this thing creating that extension here, immediately reverting back to the other end, and then creating that bearish turning point right here below the 50. That's your entry price. We're in Rune right now. Rune is the trade we're in right now. We took profit on, but that first initial move as well. Like this is NAS. If it would have moved off of here all the way up and then came back down, that would be A+, because it set a higher low and then made this move in turning point here. That's kind of a B+, right? But it's still a trade. It's still a setup, right? It's just less risk. Settings on indicator are all default. What's pushing the markets down today? It was what's it called? It wasn't bad. The GDP a little bit. GDP adjusted to 1.3, and then PCE was on target but missed by 0.1%. Tomorrow, though, we could get a bounce back with the PCE report tomorrow. And tomorrow PCE, but we have the Q2 estimate as well. Rates also, yeah, BK has been climbing this week. We're also at all-time highs as well. I mean, it's a pretty typical market reaction, especially a second retest or breakout of all-time highs. Guys, we got about 15 minutes here. 15 minutes here on Bitcoin. For our Bitcoin prediction, we're barely on the green. Yeah, I got you, man. I appreciate you, gaming. Thank you. If you got any questions, too, I'll answer them in here. Just don't, like... Gosh, dude. Always just hiding. Always hiding. Yet again, he posts that. Kevin on the other stream, come back tomorrow, man. Just trust me. Don't do it yet. Come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. There might be something special happening tomorrow, Kevin. If you just wait. Come back tomorrow. I promise. Give an average what? Like amount per trade or whatever? I had a large bag of ADA for a while. Yeah, yikes. Brad, special guest. Mickey's back. Jesse, it depends. It depends on the trade. It depends on the trade. On a trading front, for like if I'm not trading any leverage, like if I'm doing a swing trade, I mean it depends. Are we talking about like crypto in general? Like each one has different risk settings. So like if I'm trading like crypto, like my average like entry would be like 5K, like for a trade. And then like if I'm gonna trade, if I'm gonna use leverage, I'll use like between 1% and 5%. Now I tell you guys yet again, do not use leverage unless you know what you're doing. Okay, I've traded leverage 1 billion times. At this rate, I've discovered that between 1% and 5% is pretty much the move. If you go 10%, you can risk it a lot. But on trades, I'll put up like 5K, do like 1% to 5%. Profit target just depends on the chart. If you don't know what the heck you're doing with leverage, do not trade it. Or make your leverage between 1% and 5%. Back to normal streaming time for tomorrow? Yes. $300 giveaway tomorrow live on stream. Make sure you tune back in. If you want to be a part of that, you do have to be subbed. So subscribe to the channel. We do appreciate it. Is 500x leverage too much? Crypto Kid said. Guys, everybody with me. Is 500x leverage too much? Somebody asked that. Is that too much? Not enough? Too much. 500 times leverage, Mickey, is too much, man? Crypto Kid. Come on, brother. 500x leverage too much. Of course it's too much, man. I know you're messing with me. I know you're messing with me. Do not trade 500x leverage. Do not do it. The reason... You'll hear people, too, say... That's what he was waiting for. You'll hear people say, too, they're like, I want to free up, capital to trade... what's it called? I want to free up capital to make multiple trades. But it's like, because you could, let's just say you have like a 10K account and like you want to trade with 10K, right? But you only want to use a little bit of your capital, then you can use leverage with a very small amount, right? But it's like at the end of the day, it's like, why are you doing that? It's like you might as well just like keep yourself from having too many positions open. Like if you're gonna do that, then maybe like dial back to like 20x. Try 1,000x. Does anybody even offer 1,000x leverage? Does anybody even offer 1,000x leverage? Is that even a thing? There's no way. I think the most I've seen is like 300x. I bet you somebody offers it, which would be just nuts. Like let's $1 trade on a 300x leverage. Let's deposit $1. 13 gives you the shit. Yeah, man. Like honestly, yeah, this is gonna be close again. We got 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left. Yo, Dennis said I haven't done leverage in like a month and a half. Credit this. Yeah, dude. I'm gonna hold on. Let me take a screenshot of that real quick, dude. Taking a screenshot of Dennis saying this so I can send it to him whenever he leverages again. I'm gonna go ahead and send it to you now. Actually, wait, I gotta post this somewhere. Hold on. I'm saving it. I'm gonna send this to you whenever you leverage again. Because you need to know not to leverage. Yeah, 100% Ed. They forget it 100%. Cheers, Sam. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'm sorry that you get knocked down the others. I don't know what's going on with their streams, but here we're free speech, baby. Yeah, cut down my leverage from 20x to 5. Yeah, it's just, trust me, guys. At the end of the day, I promise you, I am leveraged. Of course he is. At the end of the day, guys, I promise you, you're gonna get the same amount of like feeling that you get when you have a successful 5x trade versus a successful 500x trade. Either way, you still get that leveraged feeling, right? You're still using money that's not yours. All right. But if you win on a 5x trade, the difference between winning on a 5x trade and winning on like a 500x trade, obviously it's a massive difference. One is you're going to live freely, have a good time, not going to be worried about you getting liquidated, right? The other one is you're going to be going out, having fun with your friends. You know, if you have a family, you're going to be at dinner with your family, and you're going to be sweating your nuts off the entire time, not thinking about jack squat with what's going on. Okay, I rather use a little bit of leverage because I know what I'm doing, enter my trade, and then go, do whatever I need to do, and I can come back and not worry about being liquidated. It's one of those things. Do you want to spend your time constantly thinking about the position you're in, or do you want to come back tomorrow, wake up, and not worry about waking up to being liquidated? I've woken up to being liquidated probably 10 times. It's happened before. Back when FTX was a thing, right? Back when FTX was huge and it was like Dogecoin City, I would just deposit random $500 and just freaking like go nuts on leverage for fun. Granted, I did make a decent amount of money doing that, but like it was the worst thing going to bed and thinking, oh crap, I could wake up and this could be the worst thing ever. Well, Dennis, you should have said he should have tuned into the Luxaga live stream to get our soul analysis, brother. You kidding me? Overnight liquidation, the best feeling? No, the best feeling is waking up when you've hit your take profit on a crazy leverage trade like that. That's the best feeling there. That's really the best feeling. Gosh. Y'all are nuts. Y'all are nuts. Goodness gracious. Hold on, I'm going to jump this over. It's just a chill stream tonight, guys. I'm having fun chatting with you. I'm having fun chatting with everybody. We're going to watch the rest of this, the end of this together. But, yeah, dude. Like, imagine, like, I can't tell you, the minute, it happened to me again, actually. It did happen to me again. It did happen to me again with the Solana meme coins. for about, I think about a week and a half. It was one of those things where I was just like constantly looking at positions. Like, because like it's just the same feeling as being leveraged. Like when you're in those meme coins, it's like, oh, am I gonna wake up to crazy profit, or am I gonna wake up to zero? It's like insane. Wait, what happened? I feel responsible for doing it. Yo, Dennis, have you joined the Discord yet, by the way? Make sure you join the Discord. Here we go. Let's go, Triangle Traders. Do not, there you go, 500. Join the Discord, Dennis, by the way. Click Hangout, and then top up here, hit Threads. Okay, and then join the Lux Saga Live on YouTube, where I'm going to be chatting in there with everybody. Make sure you join it. I like these chill chat streams, actually. Me too. They're fun. Make sure you join that because I want to talk to you guys after hours, hang out, just have a good time, right? I'm going to add the emotes too later today, I promise. I'm going to add those emotes. You know what I haven't looked at is I rarely look at the Instagram chat. Guys, Instagram, if you've enjoyed the stream, I very much appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you join back into the, go over to the YouTube stream. We're in here chatting all the time. I see everybody's messages there. Add your new effect GIF. Make a GIF. Party at Jacob's Beach House. Man, I wish I had a beach house. Someday. We always rent one. We always rent one every year. My wife started getting jealous for how much I open your stream daily. Don't worry, I'm not gonna take them for too long. That's hilarious, guys. You just wait. Edward said the right word with party. The stream's gonna get pretty insane here. The stream's gonna get pretty epic. New tweet dropped. He said new tweet dropped. New merch drop, bro. Speaking of, hold on. BK, what is this? Yo, BK, what am I looking at here? What am I looking at? Come on, what is this? What is this? Costco memberships haven't gone down in over a decade. $1.50 hot dog addiction. This is awesome, to be honest. That's pretty good. Great graphic. Yeah, shout out to BK for that graphic, man. Man's killing it. Hot dog eggs in the chat for BK. Let's go, BK. Guys, make sure to follow Twitter. Seriously, if you want to be updated with everything going on in the market. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Got memes on there, but also make sure you're informed with everything that's important in this market. Make sure you're informed with everything. That's good. That's a good one, BK. If you're just out tuning in, guys, I appreciate you all being here. Tomorrow, we're doing a $300 giveaway live on this stream. Make sure you sub to the YouTube channel if you want to be a part of that. You tune in tomorrow between 1 and 2 Eastern, okay? We did a later stream today because I had some family stuff going on, but we're still streaming. Come back tomorrow. Appreciate all of you guys for tuning in. We got 3 minutes left on our Bitcoin predictions, and we're closing. It looks like Moore's going to be the winner today. Hopefully. What did I say for you guys on the 68250? 250. We're up 100 already over that price. Nice. Auto game for life. Yeah, join the Discord, guys. I'll be chatting in there with you guys. Only you can prevent 100x leverage trading. That's good. That's great. That's so good. That's so funny. Was that an account burning in the background? I'm gonna make it. We need to make another thread. We'll do reactions in here. That's really good. We should do reactions. That'd be fun. Reactions on charts and stuff. That'd be awesome. Y'all are nuts. Yeah, if you're also tuning in, guys, Trump guilty on all accounts. We were talking about, is the man, honestly, can he first of all, this doesn't mess up him becoming president. He can become president still. Secondly, if he gets any, time, right? That's coming up in July. If he gets any time, does he go on house arrest? And if he gets elected president, is it going to be White House arrest? That's the main concern right now. We're really wondering. if this man gets White House arrest. You know what I'm saying? That'd be interesting. Sentencing, guys, yet again, July 11th at 10 a.m. Eastern, dude. We might have to go live for that. He can legally be in house arrest in the White House. 100% he can, which is why it's honestly could be the most iconic thing to ever happen in our country. Like, how crazy would that be? I honestly, I can tell you right now, everybody on the far right, anybody that's big time leaning Republican are going to vote for him twice as much now. Because it immediately goes to BS. The BS card's coming out. That's so bullish, right? Like, what history in the making? White House arrest. Yo, BK, honestly, we should make a meme and let it go. We should make a meme and have it go. Guys, we got 30 seconds left. I don't know. We got to run that by the team, though. See if that's too political for this Twitter. If it said Trump, this could happen this year, White House arrest. That'd be so funny. That'd be a good meme. Could happen this year. Why not? If Trump, dude, he's not going to jail though. There's no way that man would be put in prison. It's not possible. He might get. Let's just say he gets it. There's no way he would go to a real prison, even if he does get sentenced. That'd be shocking. Guys, Moore's the winner today. Congrats to you, put more. Let's go. Great job to Moore's today. Now I will say that doesn't count, right? It doesn't count, which is fine. But Moore was the winner. Great job, guys. We're back at it. Back to 390. Yesterday was a bummer. We've been only right 3 days in a row on the Bitcoin predictions, but we did have a massive day. Remember, we had that massive day. So let's keep it going. Great job. Epoxy floors. They will Epstein him. Yeah, 100%. You kidding me? Yeah, dude. He'll be a goner. He'll be a goner. I mean, they're kind of already setting that up. It seems like. We were trading Bitcoin there for a second. For fun. We do a Bitcoin prediction challenge at the beginning of every stream, so make sure you tune in between 1 and 2 Eastern every day. We do a Bitcoin prediction challenge. You get to put in your own prediction, whether you think Bitcoin is going to be more or less than the start of the stream's price. And then in an hour and 30 minutes, we see if it's more or less. Every time we hit the 2-hour mark on every stream, we see if it's more or less. If you are correct, you get 100 points added to your profile. Now, let's see who put more today. Now, again, these don't count towards your points, but we got to call them out. First off, Adam. Let's go, Adam. Great job, Adam. We got more for our boy, Adam. Great job, Adam. Frank with the less. Come on, man. Frank with the less. Silent Auto with the more. Cyrox with the less. Carlos with the less. Adam with the less. Punk Chainer with the less. Vishnu with the less. Demonic with the less. Yo. I'm going to blow your ears out. Mickey with the less as well. DK with the more. Let's go, DK. Toki with the less. Gaming with the gaming. Come on, brother. What are you doing? Come on. Yo, Blackman, I appreciate that. Let's see. Wardo with the more. Edwards with the more. Great job. Shane with the more. THC with the less. Boo. Just kidding. Love you. Crypto Kid with the more. Let's go. More gang. How we doing? I know you countered me. I knew you were, brother. I knew you were. Cameras will stop working. Absolutely. Great job. Those don't really count, but great job. Man, oh man. All right, guys. That's pretty much the stream for today. Appreciate you all tuning in like always. Tomorrow we'll be back at it between 1 and 2 Eastern. Look out for the stream. What's it called? Look out for the scheduled stream. There's your daily close, man. Great daily close on Bitcoin, by the way. This looks really solid. Last but not least, remember the hot dog addiction is real. Memberships cranking. Quarter 4, 133 memberships on Costco. I mean, come on, my friend. $1.50 hot dog. You can't. I think there was a guy on TikTok that said he's going to live off $1.50 hot dogs. You know how much money you would save living off $1.50 hot dogs at Costco? You know how much money you would save, dude? Like, I think somebody did it to see how much they would save, and it was like a buttload. It was nuts. Imagine eating a hot dog for every year. One cartwheel. Yo, this guy with the cartwheels. Crypto Kid, I'm not doing the Zoom thing. I'm not going to do it. I promise. I'm not going to do it this time for you. Just kidding. I didn't Zoom. No, the Zoom messed up. Lame. Lame. I like it too much. All right, for real though. Besides that, my friends, remember tomorrow We got PCE inflation data index 8:30 a.m. Come on, man. Tomorrow, hour before open, be careful, my friends. 8:30. It's going to set sentiment for the rest of the day going into, obviously, next week. Next week, full week, finally. BlackRock, Fidelity, Vanek, and Franklin, there's your ticker symbols for the ETFs. Once those S1 filings go in, then we'll know kind of the trading date, where to go. Tomorrow's deadline. Where is it? Where did that tweet go with the deadlines? Here you go. Boom. Spot ETFs filing initial S1 forms by tomorrow, so they got to get them in. So that's pretty much it, my friends. Thanks yet again for tuning in. How will it affect the market? What? Oh, the PCE. PCE, big effect on the market, man. That'll determine how it plays out the rest of the day tomorrow. But besides that, what if I just like walked out the door like at the last second? It's like, besides that, Jacob's signing off. See you later. Just kidding. We'll figure something out. We'll do something cool. All right, guys. I appreciate you. Thanks for tuning in. We're gonna come up with some fun intros. That's for sure. Join the Discord. Last time to join. Just kidding. You can join whenever you want. I'm gonna show you one more time. Sorry about that. Show you one more time, guys. We officially have a chat for the Hodl Gang for anybody on the YouTube that wants to hang out, talk charts, talk trading, whatever. Obviously, the entire Discord is awesome. We have a great time. If you like the stream, though, you want to chat with me and the rest of the members that are in the stream, we just create a little space within the Hangout section just for us. So join the Discord for one, Luxago or discord.gg/Lux, or search Luxago Discord on Google. You should see the first one there. Then click Hangout. Top of the list here, click Threads, and then click Luxago Live on YouTube. We'll be showing that tomorrow as well. But let's chat in there, guys. Have a good time. I'll be in there throughout the day, every day, okay? All right, guys. Thanks again. Have a great rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow between 1 and 2 Eastern for the $300 giveaway. And besides that, guys, yet another great stream. Late night this time. So be it. We'll be back. We're streaming every day regardless, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day or great evening. If it's super late for you guys, man, I appreciate you for tuning in. That's awesome. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Peace. Yo, gaming, go to bed, dude. 4 a.m., bro? 4 a.m., you're nuts, dude. You're nuts. Behind the totes. I was thinking that, man. I need to, like, just come out of every angle. Just every angle in here. That'd be good. I need to get a big enough toe where I can hide in it and then pop out of it. That'd be cool too. That'd be so funny. All right, guys, for real, though. I'll see you later. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. Bye.